Hello programmers. In today's class we'll see what is goal seek in Open Office Calc. So if we see, goal seek reverses the usual order for a formula. Usually you run a formula to get the result when certain arguments are entered. By contrast with goal seek, you work with a completed formula to see what values you need in an argument to get the result that you want. That means in goal seek what we do is we first calculate the formula and then we can change any of the argument of that formula to get the desired result. So here I have taken an example of the Cadbury Celebration box. The price of each box is 799 and I decided to buy 3 boxes. But my budget is 15,980. So I'll see how many boxes more I can buy with this. So for this, first I'll calculate the amount for 3 boxes, which will be equal to, and whatever the price is there, multiply by the quantity, the number of boxes which I decided. That is E19 into E20 will give me the amount. So the amount is 2397, but I have more amount. So how many boxes I can buy more? So for this, what you can do is you can place the cursor in your formula in the cell where you have typed the formula. Go to Tools menu, then you can select Goal Seek. Now this will give you a dialog box where the first is formula cell. So as my cursor is placed on the formula cell only, so it is selecting the address by itself. Otherwise you can click on this cell where you have the formula. Now the target value is, now this is the target value, that means you have the amount which you have in your hand. So I have 15,980. And now the variable cell, this is the cell where you can make the change. So you can click on that cell and you can tell the cell address. So I've clicked on 3 as I want to make changes in this quantity cell. This is giving me E20. Now when I click on OK, so it will give us the result in this goal seek successful. Insert result 20 into current cell. That means we are getting the result as 20, and do you want to make the changes it is asking? If you click on OK, the amount will come here. So I'll click on yes, and then I'll get the quantity here. So this is how you can use goal seek. I'll show you one more example for this. So in this example, I've taken the result of a student where there are 4 subjects and 4 semesters, and the 3 semester has finished, and these are the marks for all the 4 subjects. Now what should be the marks in these 4 subjects for the 4th semester so that the student can score 75% in the result? So for this, first of all I have to calculate the percentage for these all the 4 cells. For this I have to type equal to, now the mark of this subject for first semester plus mark of the same subject for second semester, then plus this third semester plus fourth semester. I have to include this fourth semester also. And then for the formula of percentage, we type into 100 divided by the total marks. So the total marks of these 4 semesters will be 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. That makes it 400. So instead of multiplying with 100 and dividing with 400, I am just dividing it by 4 only. So this will give me the percentage of these first subject. Now what I'll do is I'll copy this formula by clicking and dragging it, that is by using autofill option. So this will give me the calculated percentage for the remaining subjects. Now let us use goal seek to calculate what should be the score, the marks for the 4th semester so that the student can score 75%. So for this again I have to go to tools and then goal seek. Now this will give us a dialog box where now you have to give the cell address from which this can obtain the formula. So my formula is in this cell. So I've clicked on C16. This is giving me the formula. Now the target value, I want 75%. So target is 75. Now variable cell is the cell where you can make some changes. So as I have only one semester left, so I can make change in this cell only, and then I have to click on OK. So this will give you warning as this is successful and 41 is the result. Do you want to make change? When I click on yes, it will be 41. So if the student is scoring 41 in subject 1, then he'll be able to score 75% in the last exam for the overall percentage. Now let us do it for the second subject. Again I'll go to tools, again goal seek. Now the formula, it's taking the cell address as I have clicked on this only. Now the target value is 75% and the variable cell, here only I can make any change. So I've clicked on this blank cell and then OK. So this will again display 70. So if I click on yes, it is giving 70. So for the third subject, again I'll go to tools, then goal seek. Again it is taking formula as I've placed the cursor here only. Target value is 75% for this subject also. The variable cell, I have to click on this blank cell and then OK. So student has to score 80 marks in this third subject for fourth semester so that he can score 75% mark. For the last subject, I click on the formula, then tools, goal C. It's taking the cell address. Target value is 75 only. Variable cell, this is the blank cell, fourth semester cell, and OK. So this is giving 77 marks. So the student has to score 77 marks in fourth subject for the semester 4 so that he can score 75% marks. So this is the way you can use goal seek in Open Office Calc. Thank you for watching.